Okay, in this lesson we're going to talk about layers. Okay, and some of this stuff we've already done, but we're going to review. If you click on the layer, you're selecting that layer to work with, and it shows a pencil, and and the pencil means that's the layer you're editing on. Now we can also come over here and click on a new layer, and that makes a new layer right there. If we want to delete it, we just click on the trash can. If we want to make a folder, we click on that. We can click and drag things into folders or take them out of folders. And we can hide it and show folders the contents. So here, if we can hit the triangle, we can hide and reveal that information, and we can delete that folder as well. Now, stuff that we haven't covered before is the eyeball and the lock, and also the showing in outlines. So just real quickly, in outlines, if I click on that, that's selected all of them, and everything that's on here then just shows you the outline of the vector artwork. Now, if we use the eyeball, let's say that we just want to focus on just seeing the ball. So if I click on the ball here, notice, oops, that made it go away. We don't see the ball. Now, if we wanted to click on it again, we see it. But what I like, a little trick that I learned that's very handy, is to use the Alt or Option key and then click on the layer that you want to focus on. So if we just want to see the ball and not be distracted by other things, hold down the Alt or Option key, click on the eye, and it hides the other ones, and we only see the ball. Now if you click on the eyeball up here, that'll show or hide all layers. The same thing applies to the lock. So if we wanted to, say, work with the water, we could lock individual layers, or we can use the trick that I just told you about by using the Alt or Option key, click on the water, and now with that done, I can go ahead and say use the marquee tool, and I won't accidentally be able to get anything from the, I'm not able to select these because they're locked. But if I come down to the water and I make little waves or whatever and come across, I can select and hit the delete key, and I'm able to affect just that layer, just the water layer. So that's more about layers.